What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to take a look at XRP. And I know, guys, you guys think this is an absolute dog coin and I shouldn't talk about it, but I'm going to talk about it today because I think it has huge potential coming up within the next few weeks. That sounds good to you guys. Make sure you watch the entire video. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the shorter time frame chart for XRP, as you guys can see, we just retested the top of this downward sloping channel and we're getting a bounce off of it, right? So we had this long-term downward sloping channel that I want to see us get a bounce from right here. So this is the time. And as you can see, we did get a big wick down to it and we have gotten a good sized bounce up, right? As you guys can see. So we're going to look at a little bit in the shorter time frame, even shorter, but I just wanted to give you guys a broader look on how we just got that huge bounce off that huge consolidation that we had in the bear market. This is what you want to see. You want to see that old resistance become new support, and we just got that with SRP on the hugely long-term time frame, right? So this is hugely bullish. I do want to see us keep this level. If we do break this level, it's extremely bearish, but as of right now, looks like we're just getting a wick down to it and we're going to continue back up. So that's what I want to see in the longer term time frame. I want to switch on to the next chart that I want to take a look at for XRP, guys. This is another example of what we were at before, right? So I like to give examples on the longer term time frames and the shorter term time frames to see how they exactly play out exactly the same, right? So as you guys can see here, we did have this downwards channel or downwards, little wedge that we did break out of, just like we did back here, right? We break out of this, we came back down and touched it as support. Same thing here, we came back down, touched it as support on the shorter term time frame, and then get an absolute boost up. And I think this is what we're going to be getting now, bearing Bitcoin actually doing what we wanted to do, right? Bitcoin, please do something. You guys see that meme about Bitcoin, like do something meme? I love that meme. It gets me every single time. The first time I saw that, I died laughing. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you Google, Bitcoin, do something. It's so simple, but every time it puts a smile on my face. It's just so simple. But hop back into the chart. You guys can see on the shorter term time frame how it did exactly what we're doing in the long term time frame, and why we shouldn't be scared of a little correction, because we always come back down and test old resistances as support. And every time everyone's so fearful that we're going to dip lower, but we're just consolidating and correcting, right? There's nothing crazy going on right now, especially for XRP, right? So I want to jump into the third chart I want to look at today for XRP, and that is how we're just in this on the shorter term time frame. This is on the 4 hour, right? So this is much shorter. I like to look at the 4 hour and the daily and the weekly. Those are the three charts I look to look at, right? So as you can see, we're in this downward sloping little wedge or channel, whatever you want to call it, and I see us breaking out of this just like we had the last two times, right? We had the same exact pattern here. We pumped out of it, came back down, tested it as support, and continue back up. I see us breaking out of this, coming back down, testing as support, and then breaking higher. Did the same thing here. Once we broke out of this consolidation range, we pumped up, came back down, tested as support, and then pumped higher, right? So these falling channels or falling wedges tend to break up to the upside most of the time. So just be wary that we're in another one of those, and I see the exact thing happening right now for XRP. That has happened the last two times, right? We could probably go back farther and look at more examples, but I'm not going to do that right now just because I don't have the time and I don't want to waste your guys' time sifting through the charts when I don't even know if I'll find one. So I want to jump into the fourth chart I want to look at for XRP today, guys. And that is just the 200 EMA, right? So EMA, exponential moving average. I like to look at this because it's a huge indicator on whether we're in a short-term bear trend or short-term bull trend, right? So right now we're below it, right? Right now we're below it, but when we're above it, we get support on it and we continue higher. When we're below it, we tend to get rejection off of it. And as you guys can see, we held support on it, broke through it. Now we're coming back up. We're getting a little bit of rejection on it. I do think we'll break through it, but that is a thing to look at, that we could get rejected down lower. If we look back on the previous price action, when we're above it, we get support on it. We got support on it. When we're below it, we tend to get rejected throughout here, support throughout here, rejected here, broke through it, support. So this plays a huge huge role in support and resistances, and we cannot look past the 200 EMA. So that's just a quick thing I wanted to look at. There's nothing really crazy happening with the EMAs, but we did get a rejection off of it, and it could lead us a little bit lower, but we'll see on that one. And the fifth chart I want to look at for XRP today is just the fractal from the previous bear market to the current bear market, and us continuing on to the bull market, right? So I think we're just starting, right? Look how similar these two things are. This blue one is the previous price action for XRP down here, right, before we blasted off higher. And look at how where we are, right? We're so early in the market cycle. I think we're right about at this consolidation point right here. But look how similar this price action was in both, and look how parabolic this one gets, right? So don't count out that just because XRP, everyone loves to crap on XRP because it's just been in a continuous downtrend, but we did break that giant trend very recently, broke that local high. We're at this next one here. If we can break this next high, which is right here where my cursor is, that's when I really want to see a trend reversal for XRP. And I think we're so close to getting that. I think we're getting a little bit of a correction here before we actually move up way, way higher than we are right now, right? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section about XRP. I just wanted to dig a little bit deeper into it because I haven't talked about it in the last couple of weeks, and I know a lot of people love XRP and a lot of people hate it, right? It's a love-hate coin. There's really nothing else to say about XRP. It's one of those things. It's been in a downtrend for so long. We have to look at the positives. It's testing the old resistance, long-term resistance, right? 3-year resistance. It's coming back down, and it just got a wick off of it, off support. So if now is the time, if there's any time to buy XRP, now is the time, because I think it's the lowest it could possibly get at this time, right? I don't see it falling below this, support line from the support line from 2018 to 2020, right? I don't see it dropping below that. It could ride it lower, right? Ride it lower, but I don't think it's going to break that support line anytime soon, right? So like I said in this comment section, let me know what you guys think about XRP in the comment section. Let me know what altcoins you guys want me to talk about this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Looking forward to the next 2 videos. I already have a video idea for tomorrow, but let me know what you guys want me to talk about on Sunday, and I'd love to see what your guys' comments are about XRP and my future videos. Let me know in the comment section what you guys plan on doing this weekend too. You guys got to stare at the charts all day like I tell you not to do every single time, right? Or are you going to improve your life? Are you going to start a side hustle? Are you going to, maybe start a new investment portfolio? Or are you going to go meet a new girl? Are you going to go meet a new friend, right? Do something to make your life better this weekend, right? That's what I want you guys to do, and that's what you guys to strive for every single day, because self-improvement is so important, right? So hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna go enjoy mine. Don't stare at the charts all day. It's not gonna change the price. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Guys, before I go, actually check out these 2 videos right to the left of me here. One of them is a video that I recommend, and one of them is a video that YouTube recommends itself. Also, the subscribe button conveniently happens to be located right in the left as well, so click it if you haven't already. And I will stop wasting your guys' time now, I promise. See ya.